Namaskar. In this video, we will see styloid apparatus. The styloid process gives attachment to total 5 structures, 2 ligaments and 3 muscles. So, styloid process and the 5 structures attached to it form the styloid apparatus. This styloid process is a part of temporal bone. Temporal bone consists of 5 parts: the squamous part, petrous part, mastoid part, tympanic part and the styloid part. Styloid part means the styloid process. Behind it there lies the mastoid process, and between the styloid process and the mastoid process lies the stylomastoid foramen. The facial nerve comes out from the stylomastoid foramen. Laterally, the styloid process is related with parotid gland and the facial nerve within it, while medially it is related with internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein and the lower 4 cranial nerves, that is 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. The styloid process is a cartilaginous bone. It is cartilaginous in ossification. It is derived from the cartilage of second pharyngeal arch, that is the Richard's cartilage. The styloid process is a long slender process. The average length is about 2.5 centimeter, but it is variable, and the styloid process is directed downwards, forwards and slightly medially. The lower part of styloid process is free. It is called as stylohyal part, while the upper part of styloid process have a sheath of the tympanic plate, and it is called as tympanohyal part. So, styloid process consists of 2 parts, the tympanohyal and stylohyal. The tip of styloid process gives attachment to stylohyoid ligament. Below this ligament is attached to the lesser cornu of hyoid bone. Stylohyoid ligament is a ligament of second pharyngeal arch. The posterior aspect of styloid process gives origin to stylohyoid muscle. This muscle is directed downwards, forwards. It lies above the posterior belly of digastric muscle. Both these muscles are derived from second pharyngeal arch. So, the stylohyoid muscle is supplied by facial nerve, because facial nerve is nerve of second pharyngeal arch. The tendon of this stylohyoid muscle divides into 2 sleeves, and between the 2 sleeves passes the intermediate tendon of digastric muscle. This is the anterior belly of digastric and this is posterior belly of digastric. They are inserted on the intermediate tendon. So, intermediate tendon of digastric muscle passes between 2 sleeves of stylohyoid muscle. The lateral surface of styloid process gives attachment to stylomandibular ligament, and below it is attached to the angle of mandible and posterior border of ramus of mandible. This stylomandibular ligament is nothing but the thickening of the deep lamella of parotid capsule, which is derived from the investing layer of deep cervical fascia. The medial surface of styloid process gives origin to stylopharyngeus muscle. Stylopharyngeus is a muscle of pharynx. It enters in the pharynx between the superior constrictor and the middle constrictor. The stylopharyngeus muscle belongs to third pharyngeal arch. So it is supplied by glossopharyngeal nerve. The nerve of third arch is glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve hooks around the stylopharyngeus muscle. Anterior aspect of the styloid process gives origin to styloglossus muscle. Styloglossus is a muscle of tongue and it is inserted on the side of tongue, lateral to the hyoglossus muscle. The fibers of styloglossus intermingle with hyoglossus muscle. The styloglossus muscle is a muscle of tongue. It is derived from occipital myotomes. So it is supplied by hypoglossal nerve. Process gives attachment to two ligaments. The tip gives attachment to stylohyoid ligament and lateral aspect gives attachment to stylomandibular ligament. The styloid process gives origin to three muscles. From the posterior side, it gives origin to stylohyoid muscle, which is supplied by seventh nerve. From the medial surface, it gives origin to stylopharyngeus muscle, which is supplied by ninth nerve. And from the anterior aspect, it gives origin to styloglossus muscle, which is supplied by 12th nerve. This styloid process is a bone of second pharyngeal arch. The stylohyoid ligament and stylohyoid muscle also belong to second pharyngeal arch, while the stylopharyngeus muscle belong to third pharyngeal arch and the styloglossus muscle is derived from occipital myotomes. Thank you.